them, be the role model for them, and whatever good things you have been doing, continue to do the work. BVM will always remain great as long as you perform well as professionals. And we expect that. That's the only thing that we expect from all of you. I spent 8 years here, 4 of them with you. They have been, tremendous memory of those days. It's true, I might have been strict because many people told me that. So recently, I had a chance to visit USA, and believe me, there were so many BVM students that I met. It was quite overwhelming. And I had an interesting thing to tell you. You may recall Hari Bhai Kaka of mechanical engineering. He's settled in Atlanta right now. So before going to Atlanta, I just gave him a ring that Hari Bhai, I am planning to come there, and if there is a chance, I would like to say hello to you. It so happened that during those days he was not available because of certain family pressures. But after talking with him in Atlanta, within the next few hours, I got call from not less than a dozen BVM people. He is simply fond of everybody, that Dholkia is here. And that was enough. And we had very nice time. Hasmukh Bhai is sitting right here. He was one of them. So, BVMites have a very special quality. That's what I want to bring to you. That you have not only loved your institution, you have loved and respected us so much that even after 25 years somebody rings up and then you immediately call back your own teachers, your own principal. I have very many great memories which at the time, because your program says brief speech. So we will talk separately when we are out in the lawn. But I remember many great things that BVMites were doing during those days. And it was a great pleasure working, and it's a much, much greater pleasure to see you working and growing to this stature after 25 years. I am very happy that many of you have brought your families here, because otherwise they only listen to a few things. But today they will be able to see for themselves what great institution this is, not in terms of rooms and lawns and this, but in terms of the noble souls that have gathered here on this great occasion. I only wish that you grow and grow and grow and make BVM even greater in the days to come. My greeting to all my colleagues, because see, as I was telling my son when we were driving to this place, that as you approach with Vallabh Vidyanagar, there is a kind of an excitement that builds up in your system. And by the time you reach the gate, you are almost overwhelmed. That's what has happened to me. So I have really enjoyed that feeling, and I wish I continue to have that feeling till the end of my journey. But today, my greetings to you, your family, and I wish that you uphold the reputation of this great institution. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Dholkia sir. As you rightly said, yes, you are strict, sir, and probably because of that only we could finish up our engineering within four years. Otherwise, we have seen that people were doing engineering in 4.5 to 5 years because of the various strikes. And I think the first memory which came to us is in the first semester only, where people were stopping us going into the college, but we were confident Dholkia sir is there and we can go inside and nobody will harm us. Thank you very much for that, sir. Now I invite Arun Antari sir.
Initially, Jai BVM.
Jai BVM.
apart from faculty member, I happen to be old voice of BVM. Graduated in 55 and BVM Alumni Association I, formation I am concerned because uh, minutes of first meeting are wrote by me. And I was active when I was a BVM, but we had long time. I am proud to be a BVMite. BVMite, always BVMite, absolutely. And Dholkia Sahib said, absolutely we chart our way. Therefore, I am very proud to be here. Alma mater is mother. Mother, mutter, matter, ma, mom, many words. But mother is mother. BVM is our mother. Ma te ma, bija wagara na va. That's it, that is BVM. I remember when I was student, Principal Junarkar was our principal and a galaxy of teachers, absolutely free to move and meet. Then I was a faculty member. I received love from my teachers and I received love from my students because absolutely BVM. I am proud because BVM gave me roti and is giving me roti by way of pension. That is BVM is absolutely. Junarkar Sahib, when retired, when we were B, I approached to give us blessings. He told a shloka. He was absolutely well versed in Sanskrit literature. Perhaps he BSc Engineering from London University, first class first in university, beating whites absolutely. Therefore, he was a great man. And slok we said tells that Shraddha and faith. Faith is not Shraddha, Shraddha is much more. We should invoke morning, afternoon and evening. Therefore, absolutely I remember him. And I say my colleagues are here, my students are here. We receive love, and specifically I should tell about Dholkia Sahib. Dholkia Sahib, when I was principal, I absolutely believed in corrigible enthusiasm. Absolutely fact-finding and non-decaying. That was Dholkia Sahib. And perhaps you know, because you were studying at that time, grade system and credit system is due to him. Western India, apart from IIT Bombay, there was no credit grade system. He introduced grade system, university in BVM, and grades were given individually by plotting. In recent times, you see now marks are converted to grade, but we absolutely, in your case also, absolutely. And I should say, BVM, I form acronym BVM, Birla, or let us say BE, Bachelor of Engineering degree. V, Vishwakarma, let us say virtuoso. Virtuoso means music, Ustad or Pandit Ravi Shankar, Pandit Ustad Lala Rakha, Bismillah Khan. Tendulkar, Lata Mangeshkar, we reached heights because they master absolutely virtuoso. And M, Mahavidyalaya, is Mastero. Mastero is great master, absolutely great master. You have 25 years, Dhokia Sahib said rightly, but why I mean, we should look inward for faith and sophistication and success. You will be try to be such and achieve greatness. In the end, let me quote Longfellow, let us be up and doing, still achieving, still pursuing, learn to labor and do it. Greetings to all of you, families, greetings to all, and God bless us all. Jai BVM, Jai Vallabh.
Now invite Panchal sir for giving us the blessings.
All dignitaries on the dais, all the BVM past students, ladies and gentlemen. You know, you have come to the BVM after a long time, after 25 years or so. You must have seen many changes. You know, you are coming for the first time probably after 25 years. You know, the courses that is offered by BVM have now been accredited by National Board of Accreditation, NBA. Now, what does that mean? That the courses are accredited. You know, for accreditation, the AICT, the apex body, gives certain requirements that if you have those requirements, fulfill those requirements, then and then only the courses are accredited. The BVM has fulfilled all those requirements and therefore all the courses have been accredited. Now you know, to get fulfilling these all requirements, it is not easy because you know it involves money. Everywhere it involves money. You have to have certain type of laboratory, certain type of equipment, certain type of staff, certain qualification of the staff. Everywhere when you see that, you know, it involves money. And BVM has put those money in it and therefore all the courses have been accredited. Now, there are in Gujarat, you know, three different types of colleges. Our college is what you call a grant-in-aid college. Grant-in-aid college means the all consumables or recurring expenses are 90% of that expenses are given by government, but 10% has to be borne by the college. Now that 10% is not easy. 10%, you know, we just feel that it is only a 10%, but it amounts to a very large amount. You know, probably the salary bill for PVM every month is 1 crore rupees. Now, you know, if you take 10%, then also, you know, you have to pay 10 lakh rupees every month. You know, college has to pay that one. So, on the whole, every year there has been a deficit of about 1 crore or 1.5 crore rupees. Now that is why somehow the other, we have to get those money, and from where shall we get those money? Only by donations. Actually, the donation that comes from the society that keeps our BVM running. If there is no donation, then the college will stop. That is how, we have started to a endowment fund. Probably, Anubhai will tell you about that endowment fund. And I wish that all of you become a member of the BVM Alumni Association and give your contribution as far as possible. At the end, I wish you all very happy life, healthy life. I wish that you have mental peace and happiness. I wish that you prosper and prosper well in years to come. Thank you.
Thank you for giving me this opportunity to talk to you after a gap of almost quarter century. I was intimated that I should be blessing you, but instead of blessing, I would prefer to felicitate you and congratulate you on the way you people have been conducting yourself in your professional life. The hard work, sincerity and commitment that you have shown in your profession, the milestones that you have achieved, the camaraderie that you have maintained amongst yourselves, which is directly visible in the meeting today, and the love and affection that you have shown for your teachers and the college are the elements which constitute a successful life. These are also the elements which give your teachers a feeling of feeling proud of being associated with you during your formative years. I wish and pray to God to give you many more years so that you continue to grow hard and achieve many more milestones. You give chances for your family, friends and well-wishers to feel happy, and also to us teachers to meet you occasionally and share your success with you. I would not like to continue too long, except adding just a couple of words. In life, what matters in the end is not the years that you add to your life, but the life that you add to your years. Thank you.
Respected Professor Dholakia, Dr. Umbrigar, other dignitaries on the dais, some senior persons, Jadavji Bhai, Devkule, H.R. Patel, and Sarath Thakur, and a very dynamic 1991 batch who have made it to come here, not only by themselves, but many of you have come with your families and children. I am very happy that I am with you today. I have been teaching in civil engineering, structural engineering, and I had always enjoyed teaching to the students. You are in the middle of your life. Some 25 years you have taken your education. About another 24, 25 years you have traveled. Life is a journey. You have traveled ahead. And another same period, you will live long and enjoy the life. We have many times addressed many audiences, but today's audience is altogether different, because many of you we have taught, but you are not that many today. You are with somebody else also. At that time you were only alone. Thereafter, you have made your family. And many of you have come to this particular place with your families. I am very happy to have seen you, and I feel oneness. Even though we are away, in Upanishad it is said that tad dure tad antike, dur che pan nazik che. You are all feeling that you are with BBM. We are feeling that you were here one time and you have enjoyed. We have enjoyed. In life, there are three visions. In driving, there are three visions. One